It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. I have one more video for you guys. I just got in the mail the Dove Holiday Treats Sugar Cookie Body Scrub, and I got the Peppermint Bark Bar Soap. So I bought these so you don't have to. Oh my goodness, you guys, I wanted to love this collection so much. So this year, Dove came out with the Holiday Treats collection, and this was like viral. Everybody was like all over this. And oddly enough, I've heard some mixed reviews. Some people like it. I reviewed the cinnamon pumpkin pie soap the other day, and it's funny because I just smelled the sugar cookie when I got it. And let me tell you, this smells like a dream compared to the sugar cookie, which is not saying much. Oh, Dove, what did you do? So cinnamon pumpkin pie is inspired by sweet cinnamon spice mixed with buttery pumpkin nuts. I get pumpkin pie soap. Like, it's not supposed to smell like soap. It's supposed to smell like pumpkin pie. It's actually pretty. The color's pretty. I don't get cinnamon pumpkin pie. It's funny because my mother uses Dove, like the gentle fragrance free run, and she actually smelled it and she oddly didn't think it was that bad. I don't like this at all. Pumpkin pie was a no. So I'm like, I gotta get the other two just so I can do a video and show you guys. So I ordered off Walmart. Finally, they were in stock. I got the sugar cookie, which is inspired by the heartwarming vanilla nuttiness of freshly baked sugar cookies. I wanted this to smell like sugar cookies, you guys. It smells like paste that's been setting out in like an elementary school for like 15 years. It's not good. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, it's all like squishy. I don't know what this formula is. This is a body scrub? It's funny because it kind of has the consistency of like body butter. This is not sugar cookie. Like, not even remotely is this sugar cookie. This smells like, I don't even know if it smells bad. Honestly, it kind of smells like Play-Doh. The formula is really odd. There's a little bit of a exfoliation in here now that I'm getting it on the back of my hand. I'm not getting like even a little bit of sugar cookie. I'm gonna have to try this. I don't think there's anything wrong with the product. I'm just not getting sugar cookie at all. Like, not even a little bit. Okay. So I saved the peppermint bark for last. I didn't even open it. I wanted to do this on camera with you guys. So I'm gonna open up peppermint bark, which is supposed to be inspired by fresh peppermint candy blended with rich, creamy chocolate. Now, I gotta say, I am a connoisseur of peppermint bark. I love my peppermint bark so much. You get 2 bars of soap here. These aren't that expensive. I think these were like $3.99 for 2 bars of soap. I keep getting a whiff of this. It's not sugar cookie. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna do the peppermint bark. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it doesn't look like peppermint bark. It's kind of beige. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, I actually like this one. Okay, this is the best of the 3, seriously. I'm getting the peppermint and chocolate. I do get a bit of that like weird soap smell that I got in the cinnamon pumpkin. But the cinnamon pumpkin is like, I can't even use that. This one, I feel like this one's usable. Oh my gosh. It kind of looks like milk chocolate, light milk chocolate. I still get that weird smell though. There's like an oddness to it, but it's not bad. I'm getting the chocolate, which is funny. Like, I'm getting the chocolate, I think, more. It's a very light peppermint. Like, it's not like candy cane. It's more like an undertone of peppermint. But I do get some chocolate in there. Okay. I'm shocked. Absolutely shocked that this one is, I mean, I don't love it. I mean, so I was just shocked that, like, I didn't hate it. So this is usable. I'm going to try and use this tonight and see if it works in the shower. I haven't actually tried any of these products yet. I probably should try them before I actually completely diss them. But oh my gosh, that sugar cookie is just out of this world weird. So if I had to rate these without like actually trying them, just from the smell, I'm going to say the sugar cookie is number 3. This is the worst. The cinnamon pumpkin pie is tied for 3. It's tied for 3. It's kind of the worst. And then the peppermint bark is definitely like 1 and 2. The only one I actually kind of like. Oh my goodness. Okay. That was really, really interesting. Wasn't expecting that. So anyway, I really wanted to get all of them so you guys can make a decision if you're buying these for the holiday. Anyway, that is my thought. I'm going to go use this scrub. I want to see how it works in the shower. However, I got to say, if you are looking for a really good hot cocoa scrub, go to Trader Joe's because, oh my gosh, like this is like huge. I mean, the difference in consistency. So look, so the Trader Joe's is like a lot thicker. Look at that, like thick. Again, where the Dove one, I almost thought like this was body butter because look at this. Look at the two, like the difference. One is like super thick where the other one is just like, I don't know what the heck that one is. It looks like body butter. So anyway, I wonder if you could mix these two together and create like a hot chocolate. I wonder if that would make them better. Let's try and mix these two together. No, you know what happened? It's funny. So the sugar cookie completely took over the hot cocoa and ruined it. So yeah, now I got it all over my hand. Anyway, this has been an adventure. Oh my gosh. By the way, thank you so much to everyone who is using the Sale 25 coupon over at Bonleo. We've got some orders tonight. I'm so excited. Queen of the Girl Geeks Candle Day Tea over on Bonleo, BONLEO.com. Use the code SALE25 for 25% off. We completely redid the site. It's beautiful. And we have gift cards now. Anyway, thank you so much. I don't want to clap my hands together. See you guys later. Bye-bye.